What is up, guys? Today I am back with another YouTube video, and today I have two Etsy packages. They wrote my address and stuff on the other side. Like, they didn't like it's actually wrote, so I can't show you the other size. It's not size, other side. So yeah, my mom went to the mailbox and said you have two packages for you. So let's open them, I guess. So we'll start with this one. It doesn't say like the company from Etsy. It says like P.O. Box 1791 and something Florida. I can't read the name. So anyways, let's unbox it. Oh yeah, I wanted to say one thing. Excuse me again. Before my last Etsy unboxing, I thought this was clear slime, and I dipped my hands in it, and after that I had like burned like red dots all over my finger and like my hands. And I just wanted to say, they probably should have put like borax like right here or something, so I would have known, because I thought like it was clear slime. I don't know if that's like my thinking or yeah, but like comment down below if you think the same thing, because I kind of burnt myself by this. And so, because it kind of looks like clear slime, like foggy clear slime, but it just got melted. So they probably should have put borax or something. And I'm glad they mixed it though, because you know I can just pour it in my slime now. I doubt it's probably frozen, if anything. It's actually not that cold outside. So anyway, let's just get into the package. So I'm gonna cut the whole thing open. Like, why is it hard to cut open? Okay. Oh, did I cut up a letter again? Yeah, I did. Oh, let's see. I'm stupid. Well, something about borax. There's this whole letter note. Lucky I never used borax. There's like, yeah, I can rip the leather, but that's besides the point. Okay. There is my, oh, it's a clear slime. Yes. And there is this little XOXO eraser, and that is it in the package. I am so excited. Finally, my clear slime. And I'm gonna tilt this camera downwards now so you can see the slime. Oh, I'm gonna just show you. It just has this little sticker at top. Wait, yeah, it's a sticker. And it just says slime. I don't know who this is from, so I can't give them credit. Oh gosh. Okay, I'm gonna tilt this down now. I can't even get it open. It's not filled to the top. Here, I'll show you here. I don't know if this is supposed to be like what kind of ounce it's supposed to be, but as you can see, it's not filled to the top. You can't really see it because it's clear, but like it's filled to like right here. I don't know if it's supposed to be like a 2 ounce or whatever, but there's this whole container that's only filled like quarter. I think it's poking so far. I don't know if it's that stretchy, but we'll find out, I guess. And if I let it thaw, okay. Like, it's getting like stuck all in the container. Okay. Okay. Oh no. Okay. Not bad I'm poking. Okay, well, it got stuck to my desk. Stretch it. Okay, so it doesn't stretch. Maybe because it's just cold. But as you can see, it's way over borax. So, yeah, I rate this like a 1 out of 10. It's pretty bad. I don't know if it's because it's cold. I'm gonna let it warm up by my fireplace, and maybe I'll do another video about it, or in my next video I'll put it in there. But I'm stretching it super slowly, and it stretches, but it just still breaks. So yeah, that's the first one. The poking's okay, but and the container's like not even filled. It seems like it's a little more filled now than it was, but then it got stuck all over my hands, if you can see that. Okay. Anyways, let's just get started onto our box. And I'm going to be opening it. I just took a shower. I don't want slime in my hair. I'm going to be opening. I'm sorry you can't see the package. I always get annoyed when like when I watch people unbox like slime or squishies, or not squishies, but like something, and they don't show the box. But I'm sorry about that because it shows my address. I'll be able to show you after I cut it down. Cut it down. Yeah, I didn't see the slime seller, or yeah, slime seller. It's taken me a long time to cut this open. It's like tape really good. I think I cut something maybe. Okay, I didn't open the box yet, and I'll tilt it down more. So now you can see, oh yeah, you can kind of see my address. Okay, so now there's cardboard. Bubble wrap. More, I'm not bubble wrap, what are the things I call it? And this, I'll put the box on the floor. These things are bubble wrap. This is tape for you. It says Boax. I'm glad you put a label on it. Oh yeah, a label on it. I'll like open this first, I guess. It's packaged really good, which is good. I can't even get into it. Really good. I'm glad you put borax on it, because, you know, that's always a good thing to do. And it is in this container, and it is zipped. I mean, tape, not zipped. So thank you for that. On with the slime. And it's bubble wrapped again. And this is my avalanche slime again. Oh yeah, these containers are perfect. I love these containers. Very sturdy. Again, I don't know what company or whatever this is, but yeah, here's the slime. I think it was supposed to be an avalanche slime, but kind of got mixed in shipping, which is sad. But oh well, let's. Ooh. Oh no. Oh no. Hopefully it's not that sticky. I'm definitely gonna let the slimes dethaw, like get like warmer by my fireplace. Oh gosh, now it's wanting to stick to me. Oh no, don't stick. Ew, there's something like cardboard in the slime. Okay, so here's the slime. It's a green mix with white because it's supposed to be avalanche, I'm pretty sure. It's super stretchy. It's cold because, you know, it's like it has snow on the ground. I actually got school canceled today. It's Monday and I was supposed to go back to school today, but school got canceled. School got canceled. So yeah. So that's yeah. So yeah, I honestly like this slime. It's freezing cold, which, you know, it's because outside. I'll just. Oh, what am I saying? Yeah, I'll let these dethaw by the fireplace, and I'll give you, I'll like, in my next video, I will show you them. And yeah, those are the two slimes I got, And yeah. Oh, by the way, I really like the containers. The containers I really like. Excuse me again. Okay. Let me see if it sticks to my desk. No, okay. Well, hopefully it doesn't. I don't know for sure, but I don't think it does. I'm gonna do some poking for you. Sorry if it's, you know, loud in our house. It's like a mess in the background. Sorry, that was like plastic that got in. Okay. Anyways, we put that back in the container. I don't know. Maybe this is a 4 ounce. I'm not quite sure. Okay. Anyways, thank you. Wait, hold on. I'm gonna do one thing. I'm gonna pop this little bubble wrap thing. I'm gonna grab my other one. The lighting's not that great, so sorry about that. I think I'm not positive, but where are they? Where can you see them? They're clear, so you can't really see them that good, but I'm gonna stomp on them. Okay, hopefully my camera caught that noise pretty good. Okay. Okay, anyways, thank you so much for watching. Make sure you subscribe down below, like this video, comment down below all the things I said, and share this video, and I will see you next time. Bye.